Hey, hella cool hat, bro.
Thanks, bro. Cool
Yeah,
hats like
bro.
this, you know, transpires confidence when I'm on the track.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like to, you know, eat sandwiches for lunch.
Hey guys, welcome to PM Autoworks track day video. So today is Friday and tomorrow we are attending a track event hosted by On Grid at Thunderhill Raceway. So we're pretty excited about that. Before we head out to the track though, there are a couple things I gotta do to my car, such as an oil change, a vehicle alignment to dial in some track settings. I have to rebalance my front wheels and of course do a full vehicle inspection just to make sure that my car is in tip-top shape when we're taking it out to the track. So with that being said, I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so that is it for the day. The car is all prepped and ready for the event tomorrow. So all we have left to do now is to drive up to the hotel, check in, and catch some Z's for tomorrow. I am excited for the drive up though, because on the way up, you do get to see all the cars driving up to the event. The sunset, the scenery, everything is just awesome. So with that being said, let's go ahead and drive up and I'll see you guys back at the hotel.
Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light.
What's up?
Special delivery. Get the camera ready. Ricky has your straw.
So check out all the bugs on my car from the drive up here. Somehow your car managed to stay clean. Yes, sir.
Sweet. You good to go?
All right. Here at Thunderhill Raceway. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are live at Thunderhill Raceway Park, and as you may know, it is still shelter in place and social distancing is supposed to be going on, but there's a whole lot of people here, including myself. So we are on the way to check in and get our wristbands, and then and on to some good racing after that. Guys, a little update. Unfortunately, my car started knocking in the middle of sesh 3, so I'm out for the day. I'm not sure why. The car did overheat. The car is running too hot, and I didn't catch it overheating on time, so it just started knocking on me, so I had to pull over and pit the car. Kind of a bummer because I spent a lot of time prepping the car, making sure it was all good to go, and not really sure why the car overheated, but let me start it up for you guys so you can hear it. Ooh. There she is knocking. How's the last dash, Boom?
A little bit good.
It was good?
Yeah. My item is a little bit too high.
Yeah? Dang, your brakes are smoking, dude. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's hella smoke coming out of his brake ducts. It's pretty cool. I guess that means they're working. What happened out there, dude?
So we were coming around the back, turn 9, and then, you know, right in front there was a Viper that spun out.
Oh man, is it the white Viper?
It was I think it was a red Viper, man. It was facing us in the turn.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
you guys
so
almost hit him?
I think someone may have hit him. I'm not sure, because I passed him, and then right after I passed him, maybe about 5 seconds later, we got the red flag.
Oh shit!
Yeah, they had us all stop on track.
We were worried for a second because you were coming back to the pits, and we saw everyone stop, so we were like, oh shit.
Yeah, you know. But thanks for the call. We're good though.
All right.
But I know today is a hot day though, I'll tell you that.
More power than button.
Yeah. And I'll also tell you what, the car feels stopped in.
Yeah,
Shit.
boy.
That tire, that alignment just did the trick. Rotates hella good, has a lot of front grip. It doesn't feel like it's understeering at all. Turn and it goes. And yeah, I was trying to see how quick I could flip it, and it just did it.
So what settings did you do?
I just increased front camber. I was running like 1.8 on my last setup, so now I'm running at 2.2. And then the rear camber, I was sitting at like 1.8, 1.9, and I dialed that back too, sitting at 1.4.
Yeah.
So I got two cameras, the front 1.4 and the rear, a little bit of toe out, and then money.
This time, my phone is very quick. Huh?
Yeah,
Did
we
you
just
check
did
your
it.
alignment?
I did his alignment.
Yeah.
What was his specs?
His spec was like 1.7 in the front.
Uh-huh.
That was
1.7.
yeah, 1.7, 1.6. That was the most we can get without a front camber plate.
Uh-huh.
And then the rears, he didn't have the control arm, so he was stuck with that default camber, 2.8.
Oh, that's horrible,
So,
dude.
Horrible camber in the rear.
So were you running that setting the whole time, even at like button willow and stuff?
Yeah, I mean the button low, you can control it.
Yeah.
Here, like that turn is off.
Yeah.
So
It's just
you
weird.
try to control,
And it
but
just
the
doesn't?
car is- yeah.
Yeah, it's probably something we gotta feel for ourselves.
Can you hear up?
Yep.
240. You don't have a license plate.
No.
All right, cool. Well, that's it for today. It looks like we're gonna pack up and get ready to go home. We got a long drive ahead of us. Well, not that long. It's about three-hour drive. And we'll keep you posted.